What's up going on, YouTube? What the hell am I even saying this intro? Good God, can I speak English? No, I can't, because when I'm looking at Tezos, I'm like, what in the hell is Tezos doing? Look at this. Everybody else is like, nah, we're going to follow Bitcoin. We're going to be red today. And Tezos is like, screw all of you guys. I'm going up to 16. I'm going up 16% on the day today. Absolutely madness. Look at this. We had this drop to the downside on the 8th, and then we just went up and up both days. Absolutely crazy so far. Let's look at from the low that we've had. I mean, we're up 54%. Tezos is absolutely killing the game. So now what we're going to do is take a look at where we could be headed in the immediate short term. What are we looking at for the day on Tezos? And we'll be going over some bigger term time frame stuff, because I don't really cover Tezos that often here on this channel. But so we're going to go over some of the higher term time frame levels as well. All right. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys go down below this video, hit that like and subscribe button, join us over on Discord, follow me on Twitter, and most importantly, if you guys would like to find out how to make $3,000 in 3 hours like this person here, or like I did right here, which is $300 in just 17 minutes, or the big master trade right here, 4,400%. You go down below this video, you sign up to Bybit using my link right there, and I'll send you my course completely and totally for free as a thank you for signing up. If you already have an account with Bybit or another exchange, that's fine. Just take your crypto, transfer it over to your new account, and start trading, and then let me know once you do that, and I will send you my course for free. And also join us, because we're doing live trading over here. Anyways, back to the video. Okay, first things first, let's start off with some Moon Boy stuff on the daily chart. So here, if we start out with the swing low right here, this is the low. Then we come all the way up to this high right here. We come down to this low. And the reason why I chose this high right here, or you could choose this high right here, is because we could think of this as like Elliott wave theory. We could think of this as, you know, your wave 1, your wave 2, your wave 3. Then this would be an A, B, C correction coming up to possibly fill in a wave 5. Okay. So with that being said, we have our 1-to-1 coming in at $17. So we could be looking at a $17 Tezos. Let's also pull the low, high, low right here. So if we remove ourselves from the possible LA wave count, because trying to count this is kind of impossible in a sense, because you'd have to go through and verify all these other things. But let's just use the fib extension for the easy thing that we can see here, which is a low, high, low. We have $11 and we have $30. So for me personally, it depends on how you count, right? Because some people could count this as the 3. Some people would count this as like the entire thing is just a 1, right? So if we take the Elliott wave bias out of things, the next level that we could be looking at from a swing low, high, low would be $11. And then we all know, or we all should know, that cryptocurrencies love the 618. They absolutely love, they adore the 618. So we have the 1.618 coming in at $30. And let's just be real here. The way Tezos is going lately, $30 does not seem like it's something that's out of the picture as far as where we could be headed to if we continue on this journey of bullishness that's been going on with Tezos for the past couple of days, past couple of weeks, past couple of since basically February 2019. We've just been going up and 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 up. Okay, so that's the area that we're looking for the Moon Boy talk. Now let's get more down to earth really quickly and take a look at what we've got going on here. And so on the daily time frame, we are coming up to the 786 basically. I think this is going to be 786. Close to the 786, which is the blue line here. Okay, that's coming in basically at $7. And the reason why we're kind of running out of steam, I would assume, would be because of the fact that we have, and this is what I go over in my course, we have these highs that we have taken out right here. So you see this is where people are putting their stop losses for their shorts, right? So we have these highs coming in, people getting stopped out. And what happens when you get stopped out of a short is you have to long. You have to buy yourself out of a short. So you have these two highs right here, and then the next high would be here, and then the next significant high would be all the way up here, right? And when I say here, I mean this. And pause if you need to read these numbers, but this would be the next high that we'd have, and then this would be the next significant high that we have. So that means basically we have a gap of 6% or 50 cents on Tezos to fill just with people buying and buying and buying. And so let's go ahead and look back over at this real quick. Let's just scroll over. So you can see here, we came up and took that high by the absolute dollar, and we had a little bit of a move to the downside, but still people are coming in and trying to buy up Tezos. So where does that leave us? Well, I would say, and especially the good thing is that over on Bybit, no matter if Tezos goes up or down, we can still make more Tezos. Bybit doesn't discriminate, basically. So what are we looking at here? Well, in the immediate short term, what we're looking at is if we do come back up into this level, we still have to be cautious that we could come up, put in even more divergences on the 4 hour, on the daily, whatever chart that you're looking at, and then start to have a correction, because again, this whole section needs to be filled by Tezos buyers, by people who are buying. Okay, so I would say still be aware of that. And if we do come back down, where would I be looking to put in a super fat position size that could help me gain a lot of money and accumulate a lot of this Tezos? Well, we've already come down and fill in these inefficiencies. So I would say the first level would be coming into the route to 618, which would be right around here. If we pull our Fibonacci from the swing low to swing high, we have our 618 coming in around this area. Again, pause the video if you need to see this. And so if that area fails, then the next area that I'd be looking at would be the overall 618. So we'd come down, fill in all of this major gap right here, and then come all the way down after you take out these lows right here. You fill in this inefficiency right here, you see this, and then you have your support and resistance flip right around here. So these are the areas that I would be looking at getting in, putting in a nice and sexy amount of Tezos at this like $5 mark. That would be really sexy. So either come down here and then move to the upside, or we could do something like this, and then boom, once we get down to here, it's like, you know, buy city, because we are probably going to come up from there. Okay, so that's kind of my analysis on Tezos so far. Make sure you guys are subscribed and joining us over in the Discord, because we do, like I said, we do live trading. You guys can see here, we do post up our losses, we do post up our wins. We have Bleeding out here absolutely killing the game, and we do have people in here actually live trading together, talking it up, having some fun. So I'll catch you guys next time.